You have probably heard by now that Windows 11 is coming. So in this video I thought we'd take a little look to see if your computer is going to be capable of running Windows 11. There is a program that you can download from Microsoft that will check this for you. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more Windows 10 tutorials and also Windows 11 tutorials when Windows 11 comes out. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on Microsoft's website with a nice fancy Windows 11 logo, as you can see there, which is pretty cool. So if we scroll down, you can see the introduction of Windows 11 and what to expect when it does come out, and there are some pretty cool new features that will be available with Windows 11. But the thing we are interested in is seeing if our system is compatible, so we can easily use this app. You can also see the system requirements below. So we now need to go ahead and press download app, and once the download has finished, you then need to run the setup file. You now need to go ahead and agree to the terms. If you do, click the little checkbox and then go install. We now need to keep open Windows PC Health Check ticked and then press finish. So this is what the PC Health Check app looks like, and the thing we are interested in is the introducing of Windows 11. We want to go ahead and click on this check now button, and as you can see it says this PC can't run Windows 11. So I currently cannot run Windows 11 on my computer. But there probably is a good reason behind this, so if I go ahead and press learn more, so as you can see it's now showing me the minimum system requirements, and I can straight away see from that list that my computer is compatible, but the only thing that's a bit of a grey area is the TPM version 2.0. So if you are getting the error saying that your computer isn't compatible, then the most likely cause will be because of the TPM. But the good news is your system, if it's fairly new, will most probably support version 2.0, you just haven't enabled it in the BIOS. So you can do that very easily by restarting your computer, looking at the manufacturer's website on your BIOS and seeing if you can enable it and if your motherboard supports it. So that is it for this video. I hope this little video has helped and you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.